Okay, man, they're looking to be high value. Let's get back to some education real quick. All right. So I'm going to teach you guys some SQL little secrets again. Once again, we're going to log in as sysdba. We're going to see what container we're in. That's what you guys need to be doing when you start your job. You want to do show users as well. All right. Show user. All right. So we're in our CDB root. I want to know all the pluggable database names inside of our database. All right, so these are all the pluggable databases that we have. I'm going to go to this one. So we'll do alter session set container to equal to this guy. So we're there. So I'm going to do select table name from EBA underscore tables or owner equals HR. So you guys can see what error is saying. Database or pluggable name not open. You see that? It's not open. All right. So I'm going to do this again to show con name. So to get back to, so if I want to open up the pluggable database, right, I need to be in root, right? I need to go back to I need to go back there. So to do that, you just do con slash as sysdba. You got to know this, all right? So just go back there. And now when you do show con name, you'll see that you're back to root, right? And now when I do this, so I'm going to do select name, then I'm going to do open mode v$pdbs. You guys see that? It's mounted, right? And once again, if I want to make things look pretty, I'll do call name for a 9 and then call open mode for a give it 10, doesn't matter. Right? So everything is all on one screen, right? You guys see that, right? You guys have seen how I'm fixing these little arrows, right? Okay, so now we know that we're in our root container. So now what we want to do is we want to open up all our pluggable database, right? So I do what? Alter pluggable database all open. Then open up all of them. Okay, so now that we know that, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here and I'm going to come back over here. So there are none, right? So what I'm going to do is select name from select table name from DBA. Or which one do I want? Let's do select username from DBA users. You guys see what I did? I am not in the PDB, right? So I'm going to do alter session set container equal to ORCL PDB. Now when I do this, see HR right there. Okay, so now what I'll do is select table name from DBA tables where owner equals HR. Select employees from select star from HR.employees. I want to see all the rows inside of it, right? Can I see that? Select star from HR. You see that? So I'm going to teach you guys. It's a little bit. It's not complicated, but it is what it is, right? But I'm going to show you guys what a subquery is. So if I ask you guys a question, right, it's going to be like, I want to show me all the users whose name starts with J, whose weight is. Show me all the users whose name starts with T, whose weight is 300. No, that's not what I want. I want show me all the people that whose weight is less than Tom. So the question you have to ask yourself is, okay, what weight is Tom? All right, you can see that Tom's weight is 300. Okay, let's just say you didn't see this. So you do something like this. It would be something like select, because now you have to use two select statements. Select star from HR.dog where weight less than, then I'm going to do this. Select weight from HR.dog where no. Select star from HR.dog where weight is less than. Select weight from dog where name equals Tom, because that's what I asked for, right? Show me all the people who weigh less than Tom. Really simple, right? So this is a double select statement, right? So I'm just going to press enter. So I'm missing something. Select. You guys see that, right? Okay. Sorry, I missed the from statement earlier, right? So you guys see that? So what I did was I did select star from HR.dog where weight is less than select weight from HR.dog where name equals Tom. As you guys can see, there is nobody whose weight is less than 300 because these, like, nothing means nothing, right? If I put a zero, okay, let me show you guys this, right? So if I do this, insert into HR.dog No. Update table HR.dog. Set weight to equal to 0, where name is not equal to Tom. You guys see that, right? So now I must commit, right? Okay. So now when I do select star from HR.dog, right, you can see 0. Now if I do this, watch this. If I do this, you see now it gives me 2. Because guys, one thing I need you to understand is this: nothing. There was nothing right here, just like it was right here. There's nothing there, right? Nothing does not equal 0. Nothing just means absolutely nothing. Means nothing exists. But if I put 0, that's a number. So now it's going to give you these 2. Make sense? All right. I just want to expose you guys to something, guys. This is not rocket science, right? This is not something you do every day, but it's good for you to know. You want to be a high value 6-figure guy, you got to know these kind of skills, right? Sign up for the course, right? It's in the description below if you want to talk about it, right? We have a Calendly link there as well, right? Share this with your friends and family, and let me know what you think. Give me the comments, guys. Really hit the like; it really helps with the algorithm. Talk to you guys soon. Peace. Guys, I'll keep it short. So this is my site, clouduniversity.com. Been teaching for going on over 10 years. I teach people how to make 6 figures, right? It's really that simple. 6 figures. If you want to make 6 figures, boom, it is what it is, right? Now, we teach you all things as far as related to Oracle database administration. Look at all the courses. We have over 1,000 courses on there, right? But you can learn how to make 6 figures today. And yes, AI is here, but it's not. It's AI is actually dying. If you guys do your research, right? So there's still going to be need for humans to actually do the work, right? I'm not over here trying to teach you guys how to make $1 million. No, I just want to show you guys how to double your salary. So the average black man makes what, $42,000 a year. Cool. Well, I'm gonna teach you how to triple that. Simple enough. You make what, $20 an hour? I'm gonna show you how to make between 60 and $70 an hour after what, 3 months. How hard is that, right? So what you want to do is you want to go to clouduniversity.com, all right, and you want to click on the first. You want to click on the very first video that you guys see. I'm sorry, course that you guys see. This one right here. We have shorter videos. That are a little bit more tailored. This gives you everything, but then we have other courses, right? So we have Oracle and AWS for you guys that just want to learn Oracle and AWS. You can just learn that. But if you want the whole shebang, yep, it's right there, right? Now you may ask yourself, oh, why is it so expensive? Well, that it's relative, right? If you want to go back to college, that's going to cost you at least what, 100 to 200 grand with room on board, and that's going to take you 4 years. But with Cloud University, it's only going to take you 3 months, 3 short months, and you're making $70 an hour. I think it's a good deal. So, guys, hit the link in the description. Book a call on Calendly or whatever, and we can talk. We can sit down and we can talk for about 30 minutes and see whether or not we're a good fit. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Peace.